How to recover 8 ball pool account. So here is an step-to-step guide on how to recover your 8 ball pool account. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the 8 ball pool app on a device. Make sure you have downloaded it through App Store or Google Play Store. Now once in there, determine your account type. Linked account. If you previously linked to Miniclip, Facebook, Google or Apple, you can recover it easily. All you have to do is open the game, tap on the sign in and choose the same service you originally used. Example, sign in with Google or log in with Facebook or sign in with Apple. If needed, reset your password through that service, Google, Facebook or Apple. Now for the mini clip, all you have to do is enter your username and password, but if you have forgotten it, then simply tap on the forgot password button available there and recover your password easily. But for the guest account, if you are playing as a guest, your progress is stored locally on a device and typically cannot be retrieved if you deleted the app or you switch devices or you reset your phone. The only one exception is if you have an iTunes backup that includes the game data, you might be able to restore it on a device, but it is not confirmed process. So basically, if you want to recover 8 ball pool account which are linked with other apps, then you can do it easily, but you cannot recover the guest account if you have deleted your app. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.